Okay, alright, I think,
Ang taray, pa Starbucks lang.
alright, I think we have all our searchies here, so we can now start our very first ever. Alright, let's start. Alright, welcome everybody to our first ever dating game courtesy of the GCS and Provisioning team. Yay! So, for those of you who don't know what we're doing today, we're just basically trying to celebrate Valentine's Day here at work. Courtesy of, can you guys hear me? Hello? Baka yung muli mo ako marinig. Okay lang daw. Yeah, so courtesy of our GPTW team and at the same time our GCS and Provisioning management team. So let's give them a big hand. Thank you guys for letting us organize this. This is very much appreciated as life and work balance of Accenture. Host na host. Anyway, so, okay, my name is Raymond. My name is Ray pala. Raymond po pa. Ray, and I'm part of the MSPM team. People call me Denise Cornejo. Ang weird nga, sabi na parang kamukha ko si Denise Cornejo. Pero sabi ko, nung kamukha ko doon pala si Bong nung nabugbog. Medyo masakit naman pala yun. Pero one time I was doing a call, kasi kami tumatawag sa akin, Marian! Sabi ko, busy ako. Marian Rivera pala yung kamukha ko pala talaga. So yeah, I'm gonna be your host for tonight. Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba? Okay, no choice. No choice. Okay, so to start our program, I want you all to first meet Mr. Searcher. Just so you guys know, when I found out, kasi, and just so you all know as well, si Mr. Searcher ay medyo nakatago doon. Kanina pa siya mga 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay naman, hindi na siya nag-login, pumasok na siya agad siya sa Searcher group. Kaya medyo kawawa naman. Yeah. Okay, so si Mr. Searcher, just an FYI, when I found out that he will be our Mr. Searcher, parang sabi ko, ayoko nang maging host. Gusto ko ako naman si Searchy. Medyo pogi kasi, yung mga Searchy nag-ready din. Medyo may itsura kasi si Mr. Searcher. So, nakaka-excite. Are you guys excited that we have a very, very pogi Mr. Searcher? Yeah? Yeah, parang hindi naman. So, guys, I don't know, we have mixed of gender here. We have boys and girls. Some are excited for the searchy, some are for the searcher. Ako searcher. Okay. Alright. Let's all find time to know our Mr. Searcher for today. And just so you know, we only have one, so this is it. Not may time. Okay. So, Mr. Searcher. Hindi siya magsasalita, so i-relay niya lang sa akin. So, parang hindi nila makilala, boss. So, yeah. So, ako yung pala chipmunk. Normally kasi yung chipmunk yung voice niya. Since chipmunk na naman yung voice ko, ako na lang, para tignan. Okay, so Mr. Searcher, tell us something about yourself. Ibubulong niya sa akin. Ipahin na lang yung boses. Oo na daw. Daka na lang. Okay, Mr. Searcher, so tell us something about yourself. Wait, one by one. According to our Mr. Searcher, he is a soldier of love. Ano pa? Alright, second, another thing you guys need to know about Mr. Searcher, he is... Sabi niya, anong nagawa namin dito? Sabi niya, pala. He's a lover, not a hater. Ano ba? And according to our Mr. Searcher, he's looking for the right one tonight. Wow! So, kanamihan pala mali. Left one pala. So, that's just about it. Yun na muna yung alamin natin of Mr. Searcher. Okay, let's give a big hand for our Mr. Searcher for tonight. We're just gonna name him our Mr. Searcher. And now, the much exciting part of the program, let's all meet our searchies for today. Let's give a big hand. Because they graced themselves to go here and then be part of this momentous event. Okay, so, ay, nag-ready ba kayo, ma'am? Mukha namang ready sila. Okay, so, for our searchies today, we're gonna ask you to give us your code name. It can be anything under the sun. Just think of anything that you wanna want our searcher to know you as that. Okay, it can be a character or an adjective. Okay? Let's start with searching number 1. Our searching number 1 will be named as... Okay, hey, searcher, our searching number 1 wants to be named Barry. Okay? Alright, Barry, B-E-R-R-Y or B-E-A? No, B-E-R-R-Y. Okay, can you tell us a bit why you chose Barry as your name?
Very lovable.
Fairness kay Barry, very lovable. Yeah. Let's ask our searching number 2. Our searching number 2 will be named as... Ngipin daw. Pick-up line ko sa kanya, ngipin ka ba? Bakit? Bulok. Okay, so our searching number 2 will be named as... she want to be named Happy. So we have very happy. And why happy?
Very happy.
I know, I'm thinking she should be named Barry. Very, very happy. And also happy. Why happy? Just let us know why.
Because I'm happy.
Oh, very sipan. That's a good answer. Oh, she was very happy. Are you happy today? Ayun ang pangalan mo. So no choice tayo. Okay, so we have very happy. And then let's get to know our searching number 3. So our searching number 3 will be named as...
Much. Very happy much.
Much. Very happy much. 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 Very happy much.
So, just one word from...
Pinap ako sa tubig. Hershey.
Our searching number 3 will be named as...
Kisses. Sneakers. Mikay. Hola.
What?
Nena.
Oh, Nena pala naman gusto niya. So our searching number 3 will be named Nena. Did you tell us why Nena?
Anong bata na?
Nene kasi yun, mama. Pero Nena, okay. Kasi para daw siyang bata. Okay guys, you can occupy the space in front. Hindi naman kami nangangagat, so feel free to do that. Okay, so our searching number 1 is Barry. Our searching number 2 is Happy. And our searching number 3 is Nena. Kasi daw bata. Sure. Okay. Alright, so girls, again, you guys know our searcher over there, Mr. Searcher. So what will happen is Mr. Searcher will be asking questions. Okay? And then, we'll go back here and we'll ask you guys to answer the questions. Syempre. Okay.